Right here near Chittenden Ave is where this ended, but not where it started. The man police shot was identified as 34-year-old Lamine Mahmoudi. Investigators say police ran into him several times Monday night into Tuesday morning before the deadly encounter. The first time, they say, was around 7 Monday for a call that Mahmoudi was carrying a weapon. You can see officers surrounding a home, and then the door opens. Officers spent time trying to coax him out, then turned to the mobile crisis response unit.
Friends are really worried about you. They just want to make sure that you're safe. Can you come out here and talk to us?
At one point, you can hear MCR choosing to disengage.
Before we disengage, let's make sure we go talk to the roommates.
Okay.
Reiterate that they should not come back tonight.
Police were called back to the area 2.5 hours later on a report that Mahmoudi was again carrying a knife, threatening other people in a building. They tell us they called him, but he wasn't interested in any more help. Then, another hour or so later on Tuesday morning, officers found Mahmoudi walking around in an alleyway located in the same area. They say he approached officers while holding several edged weapons. You can hear police tell him to drop those weapons numerous times, but he did not. Officers then fired shots and deployed a taser.